So what's up guys, it's your boy VKFX and I'm live here with you guys with another video to show you how I caught the buys on Euro JPY and US JPY last week. So please guys, if you're just seeing me for the first time, I would like you to like, subscribe and share this channel to any of your friends for them to be able to learn from this educational content I'm dropping for you guys. And I'll be sharing some of my analysis for the week for you guys today. So just stay tuned and watch to the end. Let's go. So now as you can see, last week on Euro JPY we got TP hits of about 33 pips, just risking 12 pips to make 33 pips, and that was a good one for us. That was a good risk to reward, up to 1:2 ratio, and that's a good one for us. So now the confluence I used to catch this trade is just simple. Let's go to the higher time frame. As you can see, what I used to catch this trade was, price was in a downtrend before, like a minor downtrend from this stage, started pushing down, pushed back up, higher, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So at this point here, price pushed back up. Oh, sorry. So at this point here, price pushed back up and pushed down, but it wasn't able to give us a new lower low. It wasn't able to give us a new lower low after it has given us this one. So after that time, price started pushing back up massively, started giving us a good bullish candlestick, and that has to tell us price has started changing its pattern. Like now you can see this one, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher low. So price was at this point on Friday when I was about to get the trade. So what I just did, first of all, I was expecting to sell it to buy at this point here, but price didn't buy. But it just went up a little bit and came back down. So we closed out on that small loss on that trade. So later on, I now waited for the price to come back to this support that got broken before. I waited for price to come back to this our support, and on that support, what I waited for was, I waited for price to give me my candlestick confirmation. As you can see, this is a clear double bottom on this support here. Let me go to the 5 minutes so you can see it very well. So on the 5 minutes, as you can see, this was a clear double bottom that formed on the support zone that we had before. So this was a clear double bottom, and in what I did, I waited for the next 5 minutes to give me a bullish candlestick. Immediately I saw that, you see that I entered, immediately I saw that bullish candlestick, and I was just risking 12 pips to make 33 pips, and that's a good one. So, and the price gave us other ways to enter after it has broken. As you can see, this is the neckline of the double bottom that formed here. So immediately price broke above, I didn't take profit. I waited for price to come back down. I entered the new position around here, and later on price started pushing back up and we got to TP. That's a good trade for us on Euro JPY. The best trade we took last week. Last week has been a good one for us. Like, this is Monday me analyzing for you guys. Last week was a good one for us, and we bagged a lot on JPYPX. And let me address this for you guys. I said I will address it for you on Telegram channel. The reason why I haven't been trading XAUSD and GBPSD lately, like conservatively, is because normally Euro JPY, XAUSD and GBPSD have not been trending the way the JPYPS have been trending these days. And normally my strategies only work when markets are trending in one direction. Now for XAUSD, during London section, you can see that price started spiking up. And normally, if you want to trade during New York session, what you'll be waiting for to do is to buy XUSD. But later on, when New York session comes, price to tank back to where it started buying, and that's not a good condition market for us. So I've been abstaining from those kind of rubbish markets. And this week I think GBP USD will be trending, but for XAUSD I don't really think I'll be trading it lately. But if I see any of my setup, if I see them, I'll be taking it with you guys on the Telegram channel. And please, if you want to trade with me, you can just go to the link in the description box, tap the link there, you tap the link, you see my Telegram channel there, and join there, and let's trade together to make money. That's a good one. Just join us and let's make some money. So for you guys, this Monday now, I'll be analyzing GBP for you. I'll just be analyzing GBP. But XAUSD now, I don't really think I have any setup on XAUSD. So now let's go to USDJPY. How I caught the buys too on USDJPY. It's quite simple too. How I caught the buys on USDJPY. It's the same exact. Let's say exactly the same way I caught it on EURJPY. This one backed up to like 70 pips on this trade. Up to 70 pips on this trade. And what we did was, price started pushing up. I waited for price to come back down, hit our support zone. After testing our support zone, give me my confirmation on the 5-minute or 15-minute time frame. When I saw my confirmation, then I entered my position, and I was just risking 11 pips just to make 70 pips, and that was a good one for us, the best trade. But I didn't take this one with the Telegram channel. It was only the EURJPY I shared with you guys. So, but this one I took it personally on my own end, so I didn't take it with the Telegram channel. Let's go to the lower time frame to check for more. On this place, this was where I entered. If you go to the lower time frame, you see that price created something like a double bottom here. Like it was like a double bottom, and immediately I saw the next candlestick closing. What I did was I bought immediately. As you can see, this was a double bottom here. Immediately I saw this bullish engulfing, I bought. And note, if you are trading this double bottom and double top setup, wait for price to close in the direction you are predicting massively before you enter. Wait for price to close in the direction you are trading massively before you enter the trade, so that you will not be doing rubbish. That's it. As you can see, both the two trades now that I took now, I waited for the price to give me a candlestick in my direction before I entered, and you see when it gave me, I entered and it spiked up. First of all, spiked up, came back down. I didn't close because I was expecting this trade to go up and give us new high, and immediately it came down, boom, price pushed back up. So now let me go to GBP USD, which I said I'll be analyzing for you guys, like my Monday forecast for GBP USD. I already have it for you guys. Oh, it's already playing out. Well, I don't think it's going to be valid anymore. So this is just my setup for you guys today on GBP USD. As you can see, price has been from last week Friday. GBP USD have just been selling. It has been selling massively. I caught some of the sales, but I didn't catch it full. I closed in early because I wasn't sure of it. I didn't want to be liquidated out, but I took it by myself. So how I analyze the trade, as you can see, higher low. I told you, if you want to connect your trend line, you must have to have at least two highs or two lows before you connect it. Two highs or two lows before you can be able to connect your trend line. And here, as you can see, higher high, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. So at this point, I connected these two highs. I connected them together, and it was giving me that price should get to this hour zone here and act somehow of this hour zone. So what I'll be expecting for these prices. If price can just give us a double top here, we'll be selling to the downside. And if you want to take the trade with me, tap the link in my description box to join my Telegram channel, and we'll be able to take the trade together and make money. So please guys, this is the end of the video, and I would like you to like, subscribe and share this channel to any of your friends for them to be able to learn from this content I've shared for you guys, so that I can be able to come here and share more to you guys, so that you can learn. So please guys, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.